In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot. Navigating the ins and outs of HubSpot can significantly enhance your sales operations, allowing you to create detailed and professional quotes seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore each step to ensure you can produce personalized and effective quotes with ease. First, you'll want to access the Quotes section in HubSpot. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account, and from the dashboard, head over to the Sales or Commerce section. Once there, look for and select Quotes. This is your launchpad for creating new quotes or managing existing ones. To start a new quote, simply click on the Create Quote button. If you're working with an existing deal, you can associate this quote with it, seamlessly linking your sales initiatives. Not tied to a deal yet? No worries, you can create a new deal right here as well to keep everything organized. Next, you'll need to choose a quote template. HubSpot provides various templates, so pick the one that best fits your needs. Templates can range from simple layouts to more detailed options that can be tailored to different industries. Once you've selected your template, you have the option to customize it further. Perhaps you'd like to add your company logo, include specific images or text, or rearrange sections to better suit your message. These customizations can bring a personalized touch that aligns with your brand, as demonstrated in HubSpot's tutorials. Now, it's time to fill in the vital details of your quote. Start by entering a descriptive name for your quote to make it easily identifiable. Next, set an expiration date to ensure the quote remains relevant for a specific time frame. This is particularly important in industries where prices can fluctuate. Also, take a moment to add buyer comments. This is where you can include any important notes or information for your potential client that might help clarify the quote or highlight key details. Don't forget to include the line items. These are the products or services you are quoting. Be sure to specify the quantity, pricing, and any other pertinent details. Additionally, apply any discounts, fees, or taxes as necessary to present an accurate final figure. As you move toward finalizing your quote, ensure you have the correct contact and company details. This ensures clarity and professionalism in communication. Configure signature options and decide on preferred payment methods that suit both you and your client. Take a moment to carefully review every detail before proceeding. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before clicking the Create Quote button. Finally, it's time to share your quote. If your email is connected to HubSpot, you can send it directly from the platform, making it a smooth and integrated process. Alternatively, you can copy the web page link of the quote and share it through email. If needed, you can also download the quote as a PDF, a handy option for offline sharing or archiving purposes. And there you have it. You now have a comprehensive, professional quote ready to go, tailored to your client's needs through the power of HubSpot. Keep these steps in mind for future quotes, ensuring a consistent and effective quoting process.